When it comes to designing a bathroom, choosing a theme can help create a cohesive look that feels both functional and beautiful. Whether you prefer the classic elegance of a traditional bathroom or the sleek minimalism of a modern bathroom, there are many themes to consider. Each theme has its own unique identity and characteristics, from the warm, rustic feel of a cabin bathroom to the opulent luxury of a glamorous bathroom. In this video, we'll explore some popular bathroom themes and their defining characteristics. 1. Traditional bathroom. A traditional bathroom design is inspired by classic architecture and incorporates ornate fixtures, clawfoot tubs, and vintage lighting. The color palette is typically warm and inviting, featuring colors like beige, cream, and white. The goal is to create a cozy, elegant space that feels timeless and refined. 2. Modern bathroom. A modern bathroom design features clean lines, minimalistic design, and a focus on functionality. Popular materials include glass, metal, and concrete. The color palette is typically neutral with pops of bold, bright colors used as accents. The goal is to create a sleek, contemporary space that feels fresh and cutting-edge. 3. Rustic bathroom. A rustic bathroom design is inspired by natural elements such as wood, stone, and brick. This theme creates a warm, cozy feeling with neutral colors like brown, beige, and white. The goal is to create a space that feels welcoming and rustic, evoking a sense of the outdoors. 4. Industrial bathroom. An industrial bathroom design incorporates raw materials like exposed pipes, concrete, and metal to create a utilitarian aesthetic. The color scheme is typically neutral with black, gray, and white dominating the palette. The goal is to create a space that feels utilitarian and functional, evoking an industrial warehouse or loft. 5. Beachy bathroom. A beachy bathroom design is inspired by the seaside and features elements such as sand-colored tiles, ocean-themed decor, and seashell accessories. The color scheme is typically light and airy with blues and greens dominating the palette. The goal is to create a space that feels calm and relaxing, evoking a sense of the beach and ocean. 6. Minimalist bathroom. A minimalist bathroom design features a simple, streamlined look with clean lines and a focus on functionality. The color scheme is typically neutral with white, black, and gray dominating the palette. The goal is to create a space that feels clean and uncluttered, with minimal distractions. 7. Glamorous bathroom. A glamorous bathroom design features high-end finishes and luxurious materials like marble, crystal, and gold. The color palette is typically light with pastels and metallics used to create a luxurious look. The goal is to create a space that feels opulent and indulgent, with a focus on luxury and elegance. Choosing a bathroom theme can be a fun and exciting way to transform your space. By considering your personal preferences and the overall style of your home, you can create a bathroom that feels both functional and beautiful. Whether you prefer the warm, cozy feel of a rustic bathroom or the sleek, contemporary look of a modern bathroom, there's a theme to suit your style. So why not try a new bathroom theme and create a space that you'll love for years to come?